Welcome to a journey through the timeless elegance and serene beauty of Japanese house interior design. In this exploration, we will delve into the core principles, essential elements, and distinctive features that define Japanese interiors, creating a tranquil and harmonious living space that exudes simplicity and natural charm. From the architectural details to the thoughtful selection of materials and furnishings, each aspect of Japanese interior design is carefully curated to foster a deep connection with nature and promote a sense of peace and well-being. So, sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the world of Japanese house interior design. Japanese interior design is rooted in centuries-old traditions that emphasize harmony, simplicity, and the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. One of the fundamental principles of Japanese design is the concept of ma, which translates to the use of negative space. This approach values empty spaces as much as filled ones, allowing the room to breathe and creating a sense of balance and tranquility. By embracing minimalism and avoiding clutter, Japanese interiors provide a serene backdrop that encourages relaxation and mindfulness. A hallmark of Japanese interior design is the use of natural materials that bring the beauty of the outdoors inside. Wood, bamboo, paper, and stone are commonly used to create a warm and organic ambience. The natural grain of wood, the smooth texture of stone, and the delicate translucency of paper shoji screens all contribute to a harmonious environment that feels grounded and connected to nature. These materials are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also promote a sense of calm and comfort. The architectural layout of a Japanese house often features an open floor plan that allows for a seamless flow between different areas. Traditional Japanese homes are characterized by their flexibility, with rooms that can be easily adapted for various purposes. Shoji screens, which are sliding doors made of paper and wood, are a quintessential element of Japanese design. These screens can be used to divide or open up spaces as needed, providing privacy without sacrificing light and airiness. Their translucent nature allows soft, diffused light to filter through, creating a serene and ethereal atmosphere. Tatami mats are another iconic feature of Japanese interiors. These mats, made from woven straw and rice straw, are traditionally used as flooring in living spaces and bedrooms. Tatami mats provide a soft, natural surface that is both comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. They are often arranged in a specific grid pattern that adds to the overall sense of order and balance in the room. Walking on tatami mats with bare feet creates a tactile connection to the natural world, enhancing the sensory experience of the space. The color palette in Japanese interior design is typically subdued and inspired by nature. Neutral tones such as beige, brown, gray, and white dominate the interiors, creating a calming and soothing environment. These muted colors serve as a backdrop for the natural materials and allow the beauty of wood, stone, and paper to take center stage. Occasionally, accents of green, blue, or red are introduced through carefully selected decor items or artwork, adding subtle pops of color that enhance the overall aesthetic without overwhelming the senses. Furniture in a Japanese interior is characterized by its simplicity and functionality. Low-profile pieces, such as futons, low tables, and floor cushions, are commonly used to create a closer connection to the ground and foster a sense of intimacy. The use of futons, which can be folded and stored away during the day, allows for flexible use of space and contributes to the minimalist aesthetic. Low tables, often used for dining or tea ceremonies, encourage a more grounded and mindful way of living, where the act of sitting on the floor becomes a part of the daily routine. Storage solutions in Japanese interiors are designed to be unobtrusive and efficient. Built-in cabinets, shelves, and closets are seamlessly integrated into the architecture, providing ample storage space without disrupting the clean lines and open feel of the room. Sliding doors and drawers are often used to maximize functionality and maintain a clutter-free environment. This approach to storage ensures that everything has its place, allowing the inhabitants to focus on the essentials and maintain a sense of order and tranquility. Lighting plays a crucial role in Japanese interior design, creating an atmosphere that is both inviting and serene. Natural light is highly valued, and large windows, sliding glass doors, and skylights are commonly used to bring in as much daylight as possible. This connection to the outdoors not only enhances the visual appeal of the space, but also promotes a sense of well-being. In the evening, soft ambient lighting is preferred. Paper lanterns, rice paper lamps, and wall sconces provide a warm and gentle glow that adds to the overall sense of calm. These lighting fixtures often feature simple, elegant designs that complement the minimalist aesthetic. Incorporating elements of nature into the interior is a fundamental aspect of Japanese design. Indoor plants, bonsai trees, and floral arrangements are used to bring life and color to the space. Ikebana, the Japanese art of flower arranging, is a traditional practice that emphasizes simplicity, balance, and harmony. An ikebana arrangement can serve as a focal point in a room, adding a touch of natural beauty and reflecting the changing seasons. Water features, such as small fountains or ponds, can also be incorporated to create a soothing soundscape and enhance the overall tranquility of the environment. The concept of wabi-sabi, which finds beauty in imperfection and impermanence, is deeply ingrained in Japanese interior design. This aesthetic philosophy celebrates the natural aging process of materials and the unique character that comes with time and use. Rather than striving for perfection, wabi-sabi encourages an appreciation for the inherent beauty of natural materials and the authenticity of handmade objects. This approach fosters a sense of mindfulness and gratitude for the present moment, creating a home environment that is both timeless and deeply personal. The Japanese tea room, or shashitsu, is a dedicated space for the traditional tea ceremony, embodying the principles of simplicity, tranquility, and respect. The tea room is typically a small, intimate space with minimal decor, designed to promote a sense of calm and focus. The flooring is covered with tatami mats, and a low wooden table is used for preparing and serving tea. The walls are adorned with a single scroll or a piece of calligraphy, reflecting the season or a philosophical theme. The tea room serves as a sanctuary for contemplation and connection, providing a space for meaningful rituals and mindful practices. Kitchens in Japanese interiors are designed with functionality and efficiency in mind. The layout is often compact and streamlined, with a focus on maximizing workspace and storage. Natural materials, such as wood and stone, are used for countertops and cabinetry, creating a cohesive look that complements the rest of the home. Open shelving is commonly used to keep frequently used items within easy reach, while built-in cabinets and drawers provide ample storage for cookware and utensils. The kitchen is seen as a place of nourishment and creativity, where the act of cooking becomes a mindful and enjoyable experience. Bathrooms in Japanese homes are designed to be serene and rejuvenating spaces. The traditional Japanese bathroom, or ofuro, features a deep soaking tub made of wood or stone, providing a luxurious and meditative bathing experience. The ofuro is typically separate from the washing area, which includes a shower and a small stool for seated bathing. This layout allows for a thorough cleansing before entering the tub, ensuring that the water remains clean and inviting. Natural materials and soft lighting create a spa-like atmosphere, promoting relaxation and well-being. The bathroom is a place for purification and renewal, reflecting the Japanese belief in the importance of both physical and spiritual cleanliness. Bedrooms in Japanese interiors are designed to be restful sanctuaries that promote a good night's sleep. The use of natural materials, neutral colors, and minimal decor creates a calming environment that is conducive to relaxation. A low futon bed, placed directly on the tatami mats, provides a comfortable and supportive sleeping surface. During the day, the futon can be folded and stored away, freeing up space for other activities. Simple, elegant bedding in natural fabrics, such as cotton or linen, adds to the overall sense of comfort and tranquility. A small bedside table, a paper lantern, and a potted plant or bonsai tree can provide the finishing touches to this serene space. Outdoor spaces are an integral part of Japanese interior design, with a strong emphasis on creating a seamless connection between the indoors and the natural world. Traditional Japanese gardens, or Nihon-tein, are designed to evoke a sense of peace and harmony through the careful arrangement of plants, rocks, water features, and pathways. These gardens often include elements such as koi ponds, stone lanterns, and bamboo fences, creating a tranquil and meditative environment. Whether you have a large garden or a small courtyard, incorporating elements of Japanese garden design can enhance the overall aesthetic and provide a serene retreat for relaxation and contemplation. In conclusion, Japanese interior design offers a unique blend of simplicity, elegance, and natural beauty, creating a living space that is both timeless and deeply connected to nature. By embracing the principles of minimalism, balance, and harmony, you can create a home environment that promotes a sense of peace and well-being. The use of natural materials, thoughtful architectural elements, and a subdued color palette enhances the overall sense of tranquility, while the incorporation of traditional practices, such as ikebana and the tea ceremony, adds cultural richness and depth. Whether you are designing a new home or simply looking to infuse your existing space with a touch of Japanese elegance, these principles can guide you in creating a serene and harmonious interior that nurtures both body and soul.